So I do have a feeling that I'm going to regret this. That's what I wanted. So I am getting a little scared now, but that's what I wanted. So hopefully it's that kind. I will say that putting this on was super hard. It took me a very long time, especially because you don't want to get it in any of your baby hairs and any of your eyebrows, and not too close to your eyes. What are you gonna do? Shit. So these baby hairs are not, like, I put water, I'm slicking them back. If I could do this again, guys, I would have put this on with a brush similar to this. A brush shaped like this, or maybe even a little smaller. No, this is fine. And rinse the brush off because it'll ruin it if it dries on here. And then as well, I would have worn a headband like right here just to hold those baby hairs back, because now I'm screwed and I can't put the headband on now, so it's gonna ruin the mask. But at least I won't have any clogged pores. So I guess I will try to do the reveal when this is dry, and you guys can see me in a lot of pain, or it might not even be that kind of mask, and maybe I'll look dumb. So this is what it looks like. It's the K Bella Professional Detoxifying Intense Black Peel Off Mask, and it is from, I got mine from Target. I think it was like $3. So as this is drying, it's harder to move my face, but I noticed that even from the second you put it on, there's a cooling sensation, and the cooling sensation is almost too cold. It's very irritating. So it gets worse as it's drying. My face feels like icy hot. I guess it's not the worst thing, it's just different. It alarmed me. I just want to tell you that I put this on 40 minutes ago and it's still not completely dry. Granted, I made it thicker so that I could really have a base to pull. I used pretty much almost the entire packet, which the packet's pretty big, but I still can't pull it off. Because there's parts that are dry, the thinner parts, with the thicker parts, like right here. There's like a drip right here. And here, I touch it and it's still wet. Ugh, if I knew it was gonna take this long, y'all. Ain't nobody got time. You guys, I just don't have patience. I seriously don't have patience for this, so I'm just gonna rip it off. There's parts that probably aren't as dry, but I don't care. Wow, people are pussies. This doesn't hurt at all. Okay, I could see a little bit. I could see a little bit of how it would. Oh, fuck. Ow. Oh, the upper lip. The upper lip. Bro. Oh, fuck. Ah! It's still a little wet under there. That was my nose ring snapping off. I'm gonna do this so fast. Hey guys, welcome. Oh. Well, I guess that part was the only part that wasn't dry. And if anybody wants my old skin face, you can totally have it and lick it. I'm selling it right now for $3,000. Thanks. Okay, so I'm still waiting for this weird little part to dry. I inspected this, and I do have to say that it did take a lot of clogged pores out. And so they're really stuck in here. That's pretty cool. And then I did an up close look at my face. And first of all, it's super smooth. Second of all, there's no little black dots, no little, like, my pores are so small is what I'm trying to say. I can't see them really. So I think if you did this once or twice a week, especially if you have oily skin or wear makeup, and I have very thick skin, so my pores get clogged really easily, I think that this would really help. So I am going to buy this probably from now on. I liked it.